Hello everybody, so today I'm going to review these two great speakers, the Charge 5 versus the Charge 4. The Charge 4 was an excellent speaker overall, so let's see if JBL made a difference and made it even better. So we'll just start with the unboxing. We're going to have a look at the JBL Charge 5 first. Quickly look at the outside of the box. And then we're gonna get it open. This smaller box contains the charging cable and the manual, nothing else. And the speaker comes in a nice protective bag. Okay, that's our speaker there inside. Put it to the side here. And then let's have a look at the Charge 4. So quick look at the box. Similar, just slightly bigger. There's a protective top here. You see it with some foam. The presentation is still great. You also get a similar smaller box here, which contains the charging cable and the manual. Okay, and then we've got our two speakers here. So let's have a look at the Charge 4. As you can see and remember, that's the passive radiators. The buttons at the top and the charging indicator and then the charge port here with USB-C charging, aux input and charge out port. Okay, and then here JBL Charge 5, similar buttons at the top, the passive radiators on the side, the charge indicator here, and you can see here the charge port is now outside for quick access, and then you only have the charging out port. There is no aux input anymore. Okay, so let's look at them both together. So as you can see, the front logos are slightly different, and I prefer the new style. And then the top buttons and the layout looks exactly the same. Okay, now the passive radiators, they look similar in size. It's just different design. Same for the back. And the bottom base slightly different. They both do a great job. And as we said, the rear looks different with the USB charge available on the outside on the Charge 5, and both have a charge out port. However, the Charge 4 has aux in. Okay, let's have a look at the similarities and differences in specs. And just for your information that I'm recording this with the Blue Yeti microphone, so we get a good quality sound. We'll also be playing music through these two high-res MP3 players. Okay, now we're just going to switch them on. Okay, so we're going to add the Charge 4 to the MP3 player. And it found it. Connected SBC. And then we'll just add the Charge 5 here. It's shown on the list. So size-wise, they look identical. There is a slight difference in design which make the Charge 5 look bigger. Let's get them closer. The Charge 5 looks chunkier. Okay, now I was just going to look at the spectrum analyzer just to see which one is heavy on the bass or treble or mids. And we're going to start with the Charge 5. Okay, so let's switch to the Charge 4. So now I'm going to play the music through the two speakers one at a time, just to see if we can notice any difference in sound quality. So whichever speaker is going to start playing, I am going to put the MP3 player next to it so you know which one is playing. Okay, so just a quick reminder that both MP3 players, the equalizer is switched off and there is no special effects. I'm just going to turn the speakers a little bit this way so you can see the radiators move. Now I'm not going to tell you which one is playing, you should be able to see it. that was great. So now I'm gonna play the music at maximum volume and see which one is louder. Okay, I picked a song where there is speech, so you can actually hear the mids as well and decide which one has better mids. Full volume. Okay, we'll start with the Charge 5.
Hold on, girl, now wait just a minute. I've got something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball. Hold on, girl, now wait just a minute. I've got something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Come on, listen to me. I've tried so many times to tell you this is as good as I can be. Why isn't it enough to be faithful? Oh no, no, no. Oh no, no, no. No, oh, oh. And I ain't never gonna stop. Come on, listen to me. I've tried so many times to tell you this.
Okay, so we have a clear winner on which one is loudest, so it goes to the Charge 5. If you like bass and you listen to rap and R&B, I would recommend the Charge 5. And if you listen to classical music and dance music, I would recommend this one. The other advantage of having the Charge 4 is that it's got the line in, so you can plug in your music instruments to that and you will have no latency. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any questions, ask them down below. If you want me to compare the Charge 5 to another speaker, please let me know down in the comments and I'll try my best. See you soon. Bye.